Welcome back. Now we're going to do these lines going across. I'm going to save the milk bottle for last, or one of the last steps anyway. So to do this, we're going to do kind of similar to what we did for the clouds. We're going to zoom in close, but this time we're going to use our rectangle tool, and I'm just going to draw a rough rectangle right across, all the way across, and I'm going to try to land inside that circle. So you try to get it about where the top of that edge is and about where the bottom edge. I'm just going to do this on all of those rectangles as close as possible. You want them to cross over the line. Now if they don't, we can edit that in a little bit. Now here we go. I'm going to cross over there, and then we are stuck with this bottom one here. So for that, I'm just going to use my 2-point line, and I'm just going to click right here, hold down Control, and go all the way across to there. Alright, now you probably guess what I'm about to do. Smart Fill. You just click inside those sections. Alright, now just like I did before, I'm going to select those holding down Shift. Select those objects and let me nudge them over. Now, in this case, I'm going to leave them selected. I'm going to see if I can weld these to this circle. I did this a little bit different than I did in the previous time that I drew this out. I think it's going to work because it should be touching right on the edge, but let's see. First, I'm going to get rid of the hairline or outline there, because it almost looks like there's a little gap there. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we're going to try it. So hold down Shift. All of these are currently selected. Hold down Shift. Click on the inside circle here, and let's try to use the Weld tool. And it looks like it did it perfect. So now if I select this that we just drew and nudge this over, you can see exactly what we created there. I don't know why we're getting all of these little artifacts showing up here. That's a little interesting. Doesn't really matter. It's just interesting. Let me go to my shape tool and see if that gives me any clue. I don't know what those are there for. I'm just going to delete them. Doesn't look like anything changed. Interesting. Alright, that's where I'm going to stop this video.